Here with JJ Tonks, winner of the fight, Team England versus Team USA. Tell us how you feel after that victory.
I feel fantastic. Lovely win to get over, obviously for Team England. I enjoyed being booed. You know what I mean? Being the dude that no one wants to win. I really enjoyed it.
You seem to move around. You used your counter punching. Did he feel strong, like powerful in there? Like, what was your thoughts on your opponent?
It took me a few shots, but
Use the stairs.
I'm a bit silly like that. Sometimes Gav has to say to me, stop letting him hit that. You know what I mean? But it kept me a few. And there was, I felt I was sparring. It wasn't enough to.
There it is, winner.
Scared.
What's your name?
Well, I felt a bit rusty in there.
Tamara's rich.
The travelling
outside the ring. We'll count.
a bit static for that.
That's half right there.
I don't know.
Congratulations.
Oh, it was great. It was a great fight. Lots of action.
Closing.
What's next for you after this? Are you looking to come back to the United States and fight again, or
Yeah,
you have something in England?
Well, maybe the 9th, I think. I've been asked for a European kickboxing title. That's full contact rule, so I'll do that, and then I'll see what's in the pipeline.
Awesome. Any thoughts, shout-outs you want to give out?
Shout out to all my fans in England. They've all stayed up into the AM just on the live Facebook just to watch me. So, yeah, my girlfriend's watching as well.
The 50-50 has been concluded.
I'll miss them all, you know. It's nice for the sport they give me.
Awesome. Well, congratulations, JJ, and thank you for coming on.
Thank you, brother.